Hi, and welcome to the CS Card Admin Panel onboarding video. Whether you're a new CS Card user or a non-tech entrepreneur, this video is designed to help you navigate and make the most out of your CS Card-based e-commerce business. I'm Jan, a CS Card e-commerce expert, and I'll walk you through each section so you can confidently manage your online store or marketplace and focus on growing your business. Alright, let's start with the footer panel. This handy tool lets you switch between different areas of your website: the admin panel, storefront, and vendor panel. It's perfect for quickly checking how things look from different perspectives without needing to log in and out. This flexibility helps you ensure a seamless user experience across the entire website, saving you time and effort. Now let's move to the left side menu. This is your main marketplace management hub. The home menu takes you to the dashboard from any page. It provides a quick overview of your store's performance, helping you make informed decisions to boost your business. Orders is your order management hub. Here you can view and manage all orders, change their statuses, look at live and abandoned carts, create and handle shipments, access sales reports, and manage call requests. Efficient order management leads to better customer satisfaction and streamlined operations. Products. Think of this as your product information management section. You can manage your entire catalog, including all product properties and reviews. Keeping your product information organized and up-to-date enhances your store's credibility and boosts sales. In the users section, you control the privileges of customers, vendors, and marketplace managers through user groups. Simply set up a group with certain rights and assign it to a user. For example, you can create groups for sales managers, support team, and a designer guy, and allow them to access only those settings and areas they need for their work. The Message Center facilitates communication between admins, vendors, and customers. Effective user management and communication lead to a more organized and efficient business. The Vendors section lists, well, all your vendors. You can modify their accounts and set up vendor plans to earn from subscriptions for selling on your marketplace. Managing vendors effectively ensures a smooth operation and helps you scale your marketplace. Marketing has all the tools to attract and retain customers, like promotions, bundles, loyalty programs, banners, newsletters, and more. Well-executed marketing strategies can drive more traffic and increase your sales. Website is your built-in CMS. Create and manage your blog, pages, menus, SEO settings, and more. Customize the look and feel of your storefront, choose themes, and rearrange page layouts. A well-maintained website enhances user experience and improves search engine rankings, leading to more visitors and potential customers. In the add-ons section, you can find and set up all built-in and third-party add-ons for your store or marketplace. Use the search feature to find add-ons or explore third-party options directly from this section without leaving for the App Market website. Enhancing your store with add-ons can improve functionality and provide a better shopping experience for your customers. Alright, next up is the settings section. Here you'll find all the global settings that apply to your entire website. Take your time to explore all the settings in this section. It's crucial for managing your online store or marketplace effectively. And now I'll just highlight some key things here. Import and export allow you to quickly move large volumes of data in and out of your website. For example, import thousands of products in just a few minutes. This saves you time and ensures your store is always up to date. Set up all your payment and shipping methods here. Offering multiple payment and shipping options can improve customer satisfaction and increase conversions. Currencies and languages are essential for multi-regional e-commerce websites. This allows you to cater to a global audience and expand your market reach. In the storefront section, add and configure additional storefronts for different regions and niches. This helps you target specific customer segments and optimize your store for different markets. Finally, let's take a look at the profile drop-down in the upper right corner. Click on your profile to access options like switching the add-on panel's currency and language, selecting a theme, light, dark, or system, logging in as a vendor to see the vendor panel and the microstore, and setting up your own admin profile. Customizing your admin panel and profile settings ensures a more personalized and efficient management experience. For example, if you often work in low light conditions, the dark theme can improve visual comfort and reduce eye strain. And that's it. I hope this walkthrough helps you get more comfortable with the CS Card admin panel. With these tools at your fingertips, you'll be well equipped to effectively manage and grow your online business. Thanks for watching and happy selling!